guys, my name is Arham Naeem. How are you? Today I'm here with another Scratch project. Now I'm going to show you my Scratch project. First we're going to write blue racing car. Okay, go to images. We are going to select a car from the top, just like this one. It is great, right? Now let's pick a little light shade. This one is great. Now we are going to right click and save image. Racing car. Done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to scratch. We are going to delete this sprite because we don't need it. Go to upload sprite from file and select the car, the racing car. Open. Now let's shrink it a little bit. Car size, right? We're going to make the background. Here we're going to do this one, not the full circle. Do it wider. We're going to pick the dark gray color. Done. Isn't it great? I think so. Done. And let's make this a little bit wider. Let's do this. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's see our car. Let it go. Yeah. Now we're going to fill these areas green because they're always green. Go to fill with color. Pick the green color always. Fill. Okay. I noticed something that there are yellow marks over here. So let's pick yellow, the line, the road marks. This should be the line width. And let's go. Done. It looks great. Now we're going to create a new sprite. Paint new sprite. It would be a line, the starting line. Black color. A little. Here we go. It should be now. Done. It's great. Now let's go to the car scripts. Now first go to data, make a variable. We're going to make the variable speed. And okay, now go to events. When green flag clicked, there you go. Go to sprite 1, go to motion, go to not the mouse pointer, sprite 1. Now we're going to looks and pick, go to front, the front of here, this will go here. Okay, now we're going to motion, point in direction 90, data, set speed to 0, now going to controls, we're going to grab a forever block. Now if then else, if then else. Now operators and not over here, sensing, key press, this key press, wait, touching color, and this color, when it touches the green area color, it should slow down. And now we're going to controls, if then, grab a if then block, sensing, keys, press block, and up arrow. Okay, now we're going to pick if then block again. Okay, we're going to operators, this should be 6, and here should go data, not data, speed. Now change speed by 0.5, done. Now we're going to take this out, duplicate it, put it over here. This should be -6, and this here should be -0.3, done. We're going to put this in here. Okay, now we're going to duplicate this one, put it after else, and this should be 6 and this should be -6, but this should be 0.1. Last one will be -0.07. Done. Now we're going to make another thing. Go to events. When green flag click, pick a forever block. Move speed. Go to motion. Get move 10 steps. Now data. move speed, and set speed to, go to operators, grab this sign, multiplication sign. Now you need to go to data and write over here 0.95. Done. Now if sensing key, the right arrow key, go to motion, turn 15 degrees, not 15 but 5 degrees, 5. Now take this out, duplicate it, put this over here, take this to left arrow, 5 degrees, put this out, and that goes there, 5. Put this back in. Now we're complete with the project. Now let's see. Let's take a round. Click on the green flag. Now let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Wow, it's amazing, the movement. I hope you try it at your home. You can pick any color car. I just like blue color. Yeah. Now we're going to save it. Go to file, save. I'm going to save it in my Scratch projects here. Car game. You can do the racing car game also. Save. That's done. Now just let's take a round again. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow, it's amazing. I hope you like our channel. Subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share it with others. Thanks guys. I enjoy your game in Scratch. Ooh, it's amazing. Kindly subscribe our channel Young Stars, like and share our videos. Yay! Stay with us for more exciting videos. Yay! I won!